Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have the new Beats Pill Plus wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working right for some reason, like it's not pairing or not syncing with Bluetooth, or it's not connecting to your device, your phone, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's not responding, etc. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you want to set it up on a new device and you just want to get a fresh start, deleting all the settings and all the pairing history, we can go ahead and do that. We want to have this speaker plugged into a power source and turned on for this to work. So once it's plugged into a power source and turned on, you're just going to go ahead and do a long simultaneous press on the power button and the B at the same time. So press and hold, press and hold, press and hold for about 8 seconds until you see the lights on the power gauge blink red 6 times, at which point that indicates that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's brand new coming out of the box.